Hi, so today we're going to make a child's banner for a high chair. And we're also going to make a cake topper. So this banner, this one says two. You're actually going to see me make the number one banner, but this is the one that I have in front of me right now. So don't get freaked out by the fact that this says two because we're making the banner in either the one or the two banner. It's the same process. So we'll be making one of these, and then I've got this really cute little cake topper that goes with, and we are going to also be making one of these. So this one comes with a set of letters. It's all letters of the alphabet so that you can customize your cake topper the way that you want to. So I've got a number one cake topper where this one doesn't have all of the stuff on it, but it's the same thing. And then I've got this the two cake toppers. So either way, if you have a 1-year-old or a 2-year-old birthday, there are separate files for both of those with the correct number in them. Both files have all of the alphabet in there, so you have the option to put any name you want on there. So on this one, I have actually used vinyl for my letters, but you could use paper if you'd like. And that's pretty much it. So let's get started. We're going to start making our banner. Okay, now that we're finished with our banner, let's move on to our cake topper. Okay, when your banner comes into, or when your cake topper, sorry, comes into Cricut Design Space, you're going to have all of this stuff, and you're going to want to ungroup it, obviously, first. This right here, you're going to pull to the side, and you want to choose whatever letters that you're going to need. You're not going to need all these. So let me just ungroup this. And I am going to make one of these for my grandson. So his name is Miles, and I'm going to pick out the letters that I need. And you could use these letters for lots of stuff. So I don't want any of those. So I'm going to delete those. And I am going to bring these to the front. Bring to front. I'm going to highlight them all. Bring them all to front just so that I can see that it's going to fit on here. You may have to, depending on how long your name is, you may have to adjust the size of your letters. But easy way to do that is just click on them and hold your shift key down and just go and click on all of them. And then you can resize them by holding down on your shift key, grabbing a hold of the corner, and it'll just keep the size to correct size. And then you can make it bigger or smaller that way. So I'm just going to stick with that, and let's go ahead and start cutting. Okay, now that everything's cut out, I will just suggest that when you cut this piece out, as you can see that it's kind of flimsy. So my suggestion is when you cut this piece out, cut a couple, depending on how thick your paper is, but I'm using just regular 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, and it's probably 80 pounds or something like that. You might want to double up on that or even triple, depending on the thickness of your paper, just to make sure that it's nice and stiff on your cake. So let's just go ahead and put this thing together. I hope you've enjoyed making these with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful party. See you soon.
This craft is one of many fun projects I have designed. If you like my work, be sure to click on the link in the description box below to check out my other crafting projects. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Hey, do you like freebies? I have a link for that. Click on my freebie link for an instant download craft bundle that I put together just for you.